Mabuhay kabayan! Today we're gonna unbox our bubble tea kit and then make the bubble tea. I want to thank Lemoncha for their kit. We're gonna try it out. I cannot wait. I'm an addict. As you can see in our previous video, I love Lemoncha. So, I love bubble tea. So, here we are, unboxing. Lemoncha is one of the good ones because they're specialists of tea. They're really tea lovers, and so they make all the effort for you to enjoy a quality tea. So that's what I love about them. To be fair, if you're in Geneva and you want a bubble tea with a good tea, really fruit tea and a good base of tea with tea lover, I would definitely go to Lemoncha. So we have a Jasmine Green Tea. Pastèque. So watermelon, we decided to go with watermelon. They have different tastes you can try. They have different tea also. So base of tea, you could have black tea, green tea, different type, Assam, Earl Grey, Rooibos, I think, and jasmine, and there's probably more. And then there's like different fruit. So there's lemon, there's passion fruit, there's orange, there's lychee, and this one and others. Ooh, here are a boba. So this is the boba, the nice one. So tapioca pearl. So with instruction how we gonna cook it. So everything is explained, and then I saw there's a little thing so you to understand here the kit. So there's a link you can see the recipe to their website. So here we have everything. So pearl, tapioca pearl, tea flavor, and tea. And also, to be fair, once you have this tea, you can have it for a long time because you're not gonna make all of this tea just for the your bubble tea. So you're gonna have more tea for you to drink another time and enjoy. So that's the nice part. And you can decide how much you want to put of the syrup. So if you want a little, a bit more, it's whatever you want. So that's a nice one. Yeah. And last, the straw. Beautiful. And they're in like, I think some kind of compostable or, you know, more eco than plastic. So it's a good texture. So nice and nice. And also I enjoy the fact that it's not plastic there. Obviously this is plastic, but I mean whatever they could make not plastic is not, so that's a good thing also. So we're gonna try later and tell you. I have my special Lemoncha cup for bubble tea that I would be drinking in also. So here you have beautiful kit. Thank you again, Lemoncha. See you in a bit. Let's smell that. Smelling super good. Okay, our water is boiling, so we're gonna put half the package to get about 100 grams. A bit more. It'll be like 3 today. Now I'm gonna put just that amount. I'm gonna keep a bit for next time, and I'm gonna take something to turn them because you have to move them once so they don't stick. So you see here they were starting to stick together, so that's what you don't want. So you have to move that quite regularly so you don't do like a sticky package. So you're gonna do that boiling for about 30 minutes. So patience. And then once the bubble are cooked after 30 minutes, I'm gonna lower a bit. we're gonna rinse it off with cold water. And once we rinse it off with cold water, we're gonna choose if we want to put sugar or not. I will put in a small amount of it a bit of brown sugar. I will keep some neutral for my mom, but she doesn't like with sugar. So basically you choose what you want, either with sugar or not, knowing that the fruit flavor you're gonna add later have sugar in it. So for me, I think it's not very useful to add a lot of sugar. I just like the taste of brown syrup sugar with my boba. So I'm gonna also do afterwards some kind of brown sugar syrup, because I think that is the best. We'll see. So here I put it 30 minutes on the watch, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna pour already my tea there. So it says 6 grams for 300 milliliter. Well, let's say about that. All right, seems quite, it depends how strong you want your tea to be. I quite like the flavor of the tea. I'm gonna put a bit more. Here we go. It smells amazing, by the way. I really like jasmine, or the green tea. I think green tea with fruit tea is better. Here we are. And we'll put the water maybe 5 minutes before the bubbles are, or 3 minutes before the bubbles are ready. And then it should be 3 to 4 minutes infusing. So there. So it's been 30 minutes. Here I'm gonna pour, and ooh, look at the bottom. And we're gonna pour cold water, and we're gonna put that to soak, because we need to be taking out after. So it's looking nice. We can try, I think. Let's see the texture. Ooh, chewy texture. Yeah, chewy. So right now, the taste is natural. There's no taste, because even though there's a bit of brown sugar in the compo, it doesn't taste at all. So you have the choice. You can have it like that if you like. You can add brown sugar right now, like that, one in a bowl. Or you can make some kind of black brown sugar syrup also. Okay. Don't worry, my hands are clean. Nice. So I just added a slightly brown sugar to it. I didn't bother with the syrup this time. I've tried it another time. So they say you should keep it like for about 4 hours. I want to keep a bit of this one to make some kind of milk tea with a simple have a chai or Earl Grey tonight, and I'll put some with it. So I just take a bit today. And normally you should have a shaker, but we do not, so improvise. We're gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna add a bit of that one at the bottom. The taste is up to you, really. So up here, this one is bigger, so I'll add a bit here. Let's see. It smells nice. Nice. So both bubble and pearl. Mix it up. Now we have our cheese. So kabayan, this is the end for today. We made the recipe, we followed all the instructions, we cooked the tapioca pearl, we added a little bit of brown sugar to put a bit of taste, but you don't have to, it's already a bit in it. And we added our watermelon syrup for today. And at the end, our delicious jasmine tea. There's other combo you can have, just check it out on their website. And after tasting, super good. I like it. I like watermelon. I prefer winter melon. If you ever can try it, the best. But this is pretty good. And we decided to make it quite warm. You can have it cold, but then you need a shaker and you need to put a lot of ice and shake. But I didn't have shaker and I'm quite okay with drinking it warm, especially with the tapioca pearl. I prefer it warm. So have it your way. Bye bye, kabayan. See you next time.